Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energy ng parating sa inyo ngayong third quarter ng 2024, July, August, September. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. So, pakicheck na lang ang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, let's see. Pisces, what's up? Third quarter ng 2024. You have Manta Ray. Ayan. So, this is a very powerful energy for you. Calibration to. So, maaring meron kang mga isasaayos, no? Na mga plano. Mga plano na hindi nag-work para sa'yo. Pwedeng susubukan mo ulit. This time, titingnan mo kung ano yung naging pagkukulang mo, ano yung pagkakamali mo. So, aayusin mo. Kumbaga, you're going to rework things. No? May mga aayusin ka. Some of you naman, maaring you will also gain more energy ngayong third quarter. So, kumbaga, the more energy na meron ka, mas marami kang matatapos, mas marami kang ma-accomplish. And some of you, based on experience ninyo, marami na kayong karunungan, no, na naipon sa sarili ninyo. Yung wisdom na yan, galing yan sa mga experiences ninyo. So, you know better now. You have flying fish. So, this is being adventurous. Maaring meron kang adventure na susubukan ngayong third quarter ng 2024. This can mean a new adventurous experience sa trabaho, sa business, or even sa relationship. So, tignan natin kung anong adventure to. Fifth house, okay, sa dating life. Medyo mag-ingat lang ha, kasi fifth house is also about children. So, if you are not yet ready for a baby, no? So, be careful. But of course, if you want it, then go for it. No? You just have to be responsible. So, you're taking a leap of faith. Meron kang pupusta ka. No? Pupusta ka sa isang gagawin mo. Can be a project, a business, or career relationship. Wow. So, butterfly. Butterfly is about transformation, metamorphosis, major change. So, maaring i-reinvent mo yung sarili mo ngayong third quarter ng 2024. It's a brand new you. Bagong ikaw. So, yung iba, you will do some improvements sa physical appearance ninyo or sa mismong pagkatao mo. No? Meron kang mga i-improve sa sarili mo, like mag-aaral ka to gain more knowledge or to gain new skills. Okay? So, kumbaga ngayon, you are taking care of yourself. You are trusting the changes na susubukan mo. Kasi, ito, merong leap of faith. Merong paglalakas ng loob na sumubok ng bago. So, that's part of your transformation. So, let's see what else do we have for Pisces. Pisces. You have the Justice card, so Libra energy. Seven of Cups. Uy, medyo maraming opportunities for you, Pisces, no? Kaya lang yung iba, maaring malito kayo kung alin yung pipiliin nyo dyan. But I think, kumbaga isusort out mo na, okay, ito, beneficial pa, dito yan, stay yan sa akin. Ito, wala nang benepisyo sa akin, go. Ito, meron, dito lang. Ganon. So, you are sorting things out. Some of you, meron kayong, I see meron ditong pag-increase ng sweldo, no? Pwedeng meron kayong salary increase. Yung iba naman, merong promotion sa trabaho. Siyempre, yun nga lang, pag na-promote ka, mas malaki rin yung responsibilities na nun. So, maaring, it can be stressful sa'yo. Yung tipong, kaya nga sabi, be careful what you wish for. Kasi kung you are wishing for promotion sa work, pati yung trabaho mo, mapopromote din. Yung responsibilities, mapopromote din. So, this can be a bit stressful sa'yo. But if you can manage your time wisely, then kaya mo siyang i-handle. Okay? So, kailangan lang bringing balance into your life. And also, careful planning. Some of you, maaring meron kayong business partnership or collaboration with someone na magbibigay sa iyo ng extra money, extra income. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the page of staves. Adventurous talaga kayo. Maaring meron sa inyong job offer. Okay? So, this job offer ay maaring mangangailangan na ikaw ay mag-travel to a far place, no? Medyo malayong lugar. But, this is going to give you financial stability. Oo. So, kung ikaw yung tipo na okay lang sa'yo na mapagod, kumbaga you have a lot of energy pa, then this is a good opportunity for you sa career mo para mas ma-establish mo ang iyong finances. Kasi ito yung tipong magandang opportunity pero kailangan lumuwas ka ng Maynila or madestino ka sa ibang probinsya, no? Pero this is going to give you stability sa career, sa finances mo. O 'di ba? Kailangan mo lang mag-sacrifice. Healing, yes. Some of you, kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenges sa inyong trabaho or sa business, sa finances ninyo, you are healing from that. Naayos mo na yung kaperahan mo, things are doing well for you, opportunities are coming your way, and like what I mentioned kanina, andun yung energy mo, yung lakas mo to keep things going. Yung iba sa inyo mas magiging healthy, no? Mas mag-focus rin kayo of having a healthier lifestyle, healthier habit. Pero syempre, no, ang ating kalusugan ay kayamanan. Hindi tayo magiging productive kung hindi tayo healthy, 'di ba? So, that's also your main goal. Ngayong third quarter is to take care of yourself, mas maging health conscious, to be fit, strong, healthy. As a love life, you have the Queen of Vessels, the Three of Vessels, and the Chariot. Wow. So if you are in a relationship, good times are coming para sa person mo, sa'yo. Expect more travels together, mga events na pupuntahan ninyo together. Maaring may invite kayo ng mga kaibigan nyo, connections. So, kasama na dun yung travel opportunities for you. If you are single, maaring meron kang makilala na romantic person, may potential, no, habang nagta-travel ka. Halimbawa, nagbakasyon ka sa Siargao, o may nakilala ka doon. Tapos nag-click kayong dalawa, di ba? So, potential na. Okay, meron ditong betrayal. Okay. Some of you, maaring maka-experience kayo ng betrayal from a friend. Ito yung pwedeng unexpected, no? So, kung nakakaramdam ka na may parang something sa iyong friend, mag-ingat ka na. Kasi may possibility rin dito na if you are in a relationship, pwedeng isa sa kaibigan mo ang i-betray ka, pwedeng maging part of a third-party situation. Of course, depende yan, case-to-case basis. Kung hindi naman ganyan yung situation mo, then hindi para sa'yo yung reading. But for some of you, maaring ganon. Ma-involve kayo sa betrayal ng isang kaibigan. So, you have the bigger picture, take a step back, and gather your thoughts and feelings. Okay, so before making a decision, pag-iisipan mo muna, may mga bagay na hindi ka mamadaliin, no? Although, magte-take ka ng risk, pero well-calculated risk yan. Ito yung tipong hindi mo naman Parang hindi mo naman sisirain yung reputasyon mo or yung career mo para lang dito sa adventure na 'to sa'yo, 'no? So, for you, you know what you're doing, alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo, and yung experience mo, yan yung nagbigay sa'yo ng wisdom, ng karunungan, kaalaman para makapag-decide ng best para sa'yo. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!